Bismillah. There's codes here, aka Muhammad Anders. So let's get into it. We're building out this lead magnet funnel building tool. This is just one type of, it has an edit mode with headline variables. We got to fix some of the, we're going to bring in some AI features to make these variables make sense, but it's important to have these typed, and then we'll just have it change up the filler words. I'm waiting on an agent right now to fulfill one of the lead magnet tasks. So while that's going, we're going to get into making a short or a TikTok for explaining how this is going to help fitness coaches in particular. So the one thing we have done is use this hook generator from arcads.ai, and we put in our idea. We're going to start off with fitness coaches. If you run ads, watch this video. And if we go into Claude and we go to script, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clip around 9 seconds each of wording, which are the animations that we're going to run in Midjourney, and then use 11 labs for the audio. So I'm just going to start here. I'm going to grab the description for the video. Let's see how accurate it can get. So create, and we're always going to start out with an image so that we can get the exact image we want perfectly, and then do the video and then extend it. And we want this to be 9 by 16. And I would keep on stealth mode if you don't want people taking all your assets, and we'll do that later. We'll just do a couple of these. Well, yeah, some of these may not be able to do very well, but we'll see what it does. That's not too bad, actually. I want to change the style up a bit. We'll try this. Have to remind me later, not immediately. Okay, so I like, this does look like Facebook. This sort of does too. Let's go image prompt. Let's go to a style reference that I like. There was a style that I like. Let's see. It was further back. That's pretty cool style, actually. Let's just use that as a style reference, and then let's use the same text. Remind me later, please. Multiple browser tabs showing ClickFunnels, lead pages, etc. Cursor hovering over confusing options. Yeah, I guess we could use one of these. We'll try this one, and we'll just animate this one because we don't need to stylize it too much. And we'll run that through an animation. Yeah, I don't mind. This one's kind of cool. This one's intense. Between this and this, let's go with this guy. Let's grab another clip. Executor's still going, it's on phase 4. And if you want to know how to do these agents, there's KIRO design executor plan requirement. I can link that up. Just ask for it in the comments and I'll send over the link to it if anyone's interested. It's basically having KIRO in Claude. So let's grab the next animations coming through. It does kind of look like Facebook, actually. I mean, the hands look weird, but oh well, this one's probably the best. I'll extend that one. So that extends it to 9 seconds. We'll go extend. Which one do I like the best? I like this one the best. Animate that one. And then these are kind of weird. Interesting. I don't know the best way to represent this, but let's just extend it. People can be confused, but we'll try it. So once we get our first 9-second clip, we'll download it, bring it into VEED. Let's open up 11 labs. Now, I like to design voices. It tend to get more of what you want. So, voice design. I have to take the dog for a walk pretty soon here, but I'll pause and come back. A fitness instructor. Did that wrong. A fitness marketing instructor with a booming, calming, Canadian-type voice that intrigues and motivates and inspires other fitness coaches and has a bit of spark and also a bit of wisdom. And then we're going to put in our first clip narration. I'm going to go generate voice, and you should be able to hear it. I do have it piping in. So
fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken.
Okay, it's a little loud for you, I think.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads. Fitness coaches, if you run ads,
I don't know what it is, but we're calling this FunnelFit app. English, say voice, text to speech. Let's delete all this. Let's go to FunnelFit. Let's grab our narration. Got one there. We got one there. We got one there. We got one there. Just two more. Okay, we can generate that and start putting it on our VEED timeline. VEED.io. We can go create new project. We can pull in our first video, which is 9 seconds. This one, download raw video, and which one makes the most sense here? This one's kind of cool, so we'll extend it. This one's 9 seconds now. Just pick a random one for this because I don't quite get it, but that's fine. I might have to think of a different scene for that. We're gonna go in and pull in those videos. Oh, there we go. Pull in the next clip. Make this smaller. I'm gonna grab our video.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video.
This one, let's see.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders weren't made for fitness pros. You need landing pages that speak your client's language, not tech jargon. Every day you lose potential clients because your booking process is confusing. Your follow-up.
I want to see if this is exactly going to fit. So let's
Subagent complete.
I might have to do some editing, get it fully there. That's fine. So my subagent is ready. Oh, it's doing another pass here. It's sort of finished, but it's now thinking. So let's go back to here.
All set and ready for the next step.
Download raw video. This might go better before. Yeah, I think it's going to go better before. So that's going to go better right there. Let's see.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders weren't made for fitness pros. You need landing pages that speak your client's language, not tech jargon. Every day you lose potential clients because your booking process is confusing, your follow-ups are manual, and your offers don't resonate. FunnelFit is launching soon. AI-powered funnels built exclusively for fitness coaches. Marketing hacks that actually work, interfaces you'll actually understand.
Okay, so the only thing is we have to start putting the app in the ad. That's where we can't use Midjourney. Just find that the app's not fully complete. We're on a sprint to build it as quick as possible. Screen recording, we'll add this one, and we'll do the other one. Okay, that's not too bad. Why it keeps asking me that? Mainly later. Kind of like this one, animate. These are hilariously bad. I might have to do it with use text. Oh, I don't have access to Sora anymore. Let that subscription run out. We'll try ratio 9:16, describe, go. Yeah, we'll just have to use what we got. Animate, and let's check in with our thing here. Okay, so all 4 phases have been successfully implemented. Core infrastructure, type specific configuration, preview and user experience. Let's just say, what are the steps to test this? What are the steps to test the lead magnet builder so I know the features are working manually? Taking a while for take files with voice. Say something like, I'm working with hello-world.js, or take hello world to reference files in cursor or windsurf. Click to enable. Cool. Alright. Let's just continue here. Where were we? Create. Which one makes the most sense here? None of them. Have to do this manually. So animate manually. Graph. Growing. Everything else. Static. Growing. See if that fixes it. No, we need like a... See, this is where Remotion is perfect. I'd have to set that up. I do have a video editor with AI that I'm building with Remotion, but there's too much going on to do that right now. Get early access. I'll have to think about that one. And this one's kind of doing the same thing. I don't like those, so maybe this one will animate better. And let's try animated countdown progress bar, cursor clicking button. We'll do that. Animate later. Let's see now how, oh, it's still thinking here. It really is thinking for telling us what we have to test. I just don't even remember what it built to a certain extent. If it zooms in on the chart, that's good. Alright, I'm back from walking the dog. Thank Allah for the pause button for 5 seconds here. Yeah, and then we've got this guy. Let's just animate that. Animate. See which one comes up best. Here's our 9-seconder. Let's check in on our agent. Okay, so what we're looking for, phase 1, core infrastructure testing, lead magnet toggle. Navigate to a funnel with a call to action section. Enable edit mode. Look for the lead magnet toggle in the call to action section editor. Okay, refresh edit mode. I don't see any call to action editor. Okay, I have to tell it that. I don't see this in any section. And I'll take a screenshot. This one off. We'll let it think. We'll go back to Midjourney. It's like kind of counting down. This one.
Your agent needs your input.
We'll do this one. Extend auto. Do this one. Extend auto. Extend auto. Those are our agent needs our input, eh? Yep, you can read that. Let's see here. So if you were curious how I generated this storyline, I took that hook and I said, write me a storyline that will approximately, when spoken at normal cadence, line up a 6 9-second clip and describe each clip and narration from the perspective of a fitness coach marketing specialist. The reason being is because we're trying to go after the fitness coach niche, but they're going to be looking for people who are the marketing specialists, so we want to sound like them and pitch how FunnelFix.app is on the road to launching the app to solve this problem, how early signups will give you a free 3-day trial, so on and so forth. Start with this hook and expand. So that's how we built out the storyline. I think I'm gonna update this. I just want to see if we go to add this idea on the walk. So we go to Cloudflare, login, continue with Google, add, register a domain.
Mohammed, your agent needs your input.
Hold up, agent. So if we search for fitfunnel.com. Okay, what about fitness funnel? Surprises me, but it could be just domain snipers. So we'll stick with what we got, FunnelFit or FunnelFit. I'll generate another one with Fit, FunnelFit app. Is there any other fixes on this? Fit app. Where are the other fixes? Okay, let's generate that one. Now, check in with the agent. It says,
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't.
Just started playing it. Below the sections list in the sidebar. So if we go here to edit mode, oh, CTA. So if we say add a lead magnet to capture leads before showing content, turn that on. Oh, its scroll positioning is not good. We're just gonna say keep planning. The scroll positioning of the lead magnet settings are getting cut off. Can we put a vertical scroll or something like that? Bismillah. We'll call it okay, so let it think through that.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. Your fitness
Mohammed,
coaches,
your
if
agent
you
needs
run
your
ads,
input.
watch this video.
I like this one better. Agent needs input, probably asking for permissions. I have to figure out the desktop screenshot permission. We should be able to just copy and paste the reference when we take the screenshot. I've seen people do that. I don't know what's going on. Let's see here. We've downloaded that audio. Let's just replace this one. Download. Just I don't want to generate the subtitles till I know the audio is with the video in a good way.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken.
Say, is your broken here?
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders weren't made for fitness pros. You need landing pages that speak your client's language, not tech jargon. FunnelFit.app is launching soon.
Your agent needs your input.
It's true. Everything he's saying is true. Okay, key changes. Yes, AutoX. Go. Yeah, we still got a long ways to go. This is day 3. We put in about 4 hours today with work on the side, and then we got tomorrow. We'll put in about 4, and then the weekend is just going to be hardcore. Let's see here. How it looks on mobile. Sure, it looks fine. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. 17 console log. Oh, it could be something else. Yeah. Let's see what this one did. What did this one do? Yeah, I can't count numbers. We don't need numbers. Okay, we can count this one backwards. We can reverse it. 9 seconds. We'll reverse this one. Download raw video. Reverse video online free. No watermark. Download. And if you're ever looking for help to do this stuff, I mean, I run an agency. This is our worldwide site. So you can reach out to us. These are some apps we're building. This is my Canadian division. If you want to reach out, you can book a free 15-minute for both of them. If you just don't know how to do software, automations, website stuff, video generation.
All set and ready for your next step.
Okay, let's check. Test scroll behavior. Let's see, there we go. Alright, so let's say content settings, your AI optimized workout guide. There's different types, interactive checklist, subtitle, font color, logo URL, capture email, require email address, privacy policy, preview. Okay, lead magnet preview will be available in Next. So we did all 4 phases of that. I think we have to do, where is it here? Doc, that's the builder config, lead magnet offers, task. Let's just see if this exists in here. Oh, lead magnet. Yeah, pretty sure this is where it gets built. So can you start to build out the lead magnet offers tasks where we left off with KIRO execution agent? Oh, it pulled up the right and everything. Let's see if that, yeah, look at that. But we don't need to pull it up the right, we just need to call it. So sometimes the agents, that might not be the best. KIRO executor agent, and we want auto accept. Okay. And what are the other types here? We got quick guide, interactive checklist. We've got AI fitness plan. Okay, that's handy. That's the final CTA. Oh, and all of them link down. So these buttons need to change based on the lead magnet type. That's easy enough. But all of these link down to here, and then you fill out the final CTA. This is not too bad, I'd say. Not too shabby. Funnel editor's going. We got our reverse and download. We can bring that in here. So that's 4 clip, 5, and we want 6 clips, we said. So we're gonna have to really cut this up, so.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders weren't made for fitness pros. You need landing pages that speak your client's language, not tech jargon. FunnelFit.app is launching soon. AI-powered funnels built exclusively.
So it's gonna go over here. So ours is gonna go here.
Exclusively for fitness coaches. Marketing hacks that actually work. Interfaces you'll actually understand. We focus only on fitness businesses, perfecting every template, every copy formula, every conversion
We almost don't need that.
trick specifically for your industry. Early signups get 3 days free, but we're limiting access to ensure quality. Secure your spot at FunnelFit.app now.
Okay, so this could even be shorter. Delete that. This is basically the B-roll of the app right here. This is going to be cut off. It's going to see what B-roll it generates. Sometimes it generates good stuff, sometimes it doesn't. Let's see what it gives us. Yeah. I don't have to look at that right now. Okay, it's whoa, chugging, wandering. Okay, it's building, it's thinking, it's percolating. While we're at it, let's pitch this to startup pitch. So I built this. I don't think the domain's up right now. Oh yeah, it is. So it's perfect your pitch with AI voice conversations with other founders. I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna scope out as far as like what interactions, but if we go to /login, continue with my Google. Oh, I guess that's good. I guess after I'm running on localhost, so let me do that, because better to not have that working so people can't like get in right now. Let's see here. Let's stop this server while we're building. What was that? I don't even know what notification that was. Was it this guy? No. So let's go to CD agency. HC7 AI startup pit npm run localhost in 3002, so 3001 is running somewhere, probably here. Let's see, 3001. I thought I stopped the server, nothing else running, unless this guy started the server again. Well, we can go into Supabase and add in 3001, but kind of annoying. Let's just see if we have any other warps running or any other servers. We don't. Let's ask for localhost 3000. Now we can go here, and now we should be able to log in. Okay, and then we should be able to go to our dashboard. Maybe we have to go to login from here just because of the routing. Continue with Google. This one, localhost. Oh, that's funny. I did change it in Supabase because I was having this issue before. So, which project is it under? Startup hit, authentication, sign-in providers. No, not sign-in providers. Authentication URL configuration. It says 3000 here, so maybe in the project itself. Cursor. Next I can go do something else while that's cooking. So, I'm gonna pull this off screen because I'm going into my environment variables. Found it. Okay, save, close, go back here, continue with Google, this one. Okay, so we're gonna pitch something to the app. So it's going to be called funnel, my name, Mohammed Anders, pitch title, FunnelFit, 3, 2, 1. FunnelFit is a way for fitness coaches to build funnels quickly for an affordable $29 a month. It has pre-built templates and hook generators and lead magnets that they can generate with AI. It has mobile design that can make fast conversions from Facebook ads. We'll upload our pitch. That's just generating the transcript. So it gives us some feedback. So the pitch is quite brief and lacks details. No customer testimonials. Competitive landscape is not addressed. Strengths, affordable, AI integration, mobile design. Okay, so I could take that feedback. My voice should be already cloned, so if I refresh voice cloned, now I can chat. Anyone could come and chat with me if they have an account. So it's going to pitch this idea to them. So I'm going to pretend to be them. Actually, what we could do is we could run, that'd be too complicated. I was going to say we could run an AI to talk to it, but what's this voice settings? Oh, okay. It's been locked.
Hi, I am Mohammed Anders. Let me tell you about my idea. FunnelFit is a way for fitness coaches to build funnels quickly for an affordable $29 a month. It has pre-built templates and hook generators and lead magnets that they can generate with AI. It has mobile design that can make fast conversions from Facebook ads. What do you think about it?
I'm just wondering, how do you think fitness coaches will react or find you? What's your go-to-market strategy?
Great question. And this is key, right? Because I don't just want an awesome tool. I want fitness coaches to actually find it and say, where has this been all my life? So here's what I'm thinking for go-to-market. One, start inside their world. Fitness coaches live on Instagram, Facebook, and increasingly TikTok. That's where they promote themselves and find clients. So the first move is to run native content and ads right there, short value-driven videos showing before and afters of landing pages, fast funnel builds, and how easy it is to plug and play a lead magnet. Bonus points if a successful fitness coach walks through it. 2, niche influencer partnerships. I'm not talking celebrity influencers. I mean micro influencers in the fitness coaching world. People with maybe 5K minus 30K highly engaged followers. Give them.
So this is actually something we've been planning with Dream 100. So how to get your first customers even with zero audience. Make a list, ideally 100, but 10 to 20 is good to start. Research them, get in their communities, provide value, eventually run them through your funnel once they kind of are familiar with you and you've become part of that community. So it could be school communities, it could be
Subagent complete.
LinkedIn. Oh, let's check that out. You get the drift. So now if I go to conversation timeline here, I just refresh. This is now public, our conversation. So if we go to the public gallery, you can see that. Oh, I have to make it public. So make FunnelFit public. And if we go to public
All set and ready to
gallery,
go, Mohammed.
it's there on the public gallery. I sign out. Now if I go to startup pitch.ai, you can see that FunnelFit. FunnelFit is a way for, and then will be a conversation. If you want to view the chat and chat with the founder live, click here. And then that'll be that conversation that I just had, or in the conversation timeline. Yeah, it'll be in the conversation timeline. Maybe that part's not showing up yet. I have to get that figured out, but I have to make it public, basically. But that's another day's work. So let's go back to, and let's stop this guy. See what our agent wants. So nothing's running there. Excellent. The KIRO Executor successfully completed the integration of the lead magnet configuration system. All 3 configuration panels are now integrated. Complete data flow, update lead magnet components, seamless autosave integration, configure a quick guide. Enable lead magnet, select quick guide, preview publish, and see your configured options in action. That's the builder configuration. Did it just redo a task? Like lead magnet offers is different than the builder integration. That's probably why it was so quick. So say task, lead magnet offers. Have you completed all these with KIRO execution agent? Go to plan mode and let's see if it's still working now then. So let's go npm run dev here. Oh, not here. Yeah. So we click on CTA in edit mode, lead magnet. It still all seems to be, oh, look at this. This is the build muscle, data tracking, workout styles. Okay, let's see what this generates. This one, lead magnet preview will be available next step. That's what we need. We'll have to ask and assess in a second where the lead magnet offers fits in with all of this. Let's see. Let's add something of interest that we're building. Add some peppering to the video. Let's do this one. Download raw video. VEED. And we're gonna say it's still creating B-roll. Come on. We don't want the B-roll really. We can make this.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video.
Agent needs your input. Yeah, we'll let it do this. And let's say, does this include this? Does this plan include this in the lead magnet offer task and use KIRO execution agent? And let's say auto accept ads on. I notice the plan mode, it makes its own plan and it doesn't follow the plan from the agent, which we want it to.
You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken.
We need like a cash sound here. Ka-ching. So let's go cash register sound effect Pixabay. I like that one. We'll throw that in kind of right where I have it there. And then we also want like a money icon. So is there, what's in these elements? Stickers. Can you search? We just want money, discount. What if I go view? Let's view all there. Emoji, animated stickers, search, money. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Click it. Okay, there we go.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders.
I like, we'll just shorten that. We'll put that there. Let's just go to animated stickers. Let's see what it has for a funnel. Go here, move it up, put it here.
Fitness coaches, if you run ads, watch this video. You're burning cash on ads that don't convert because your funnel is broken. Those generic funnel builders weren't made for fitness pros. You need landing pages that speak your clients.
That's what we'll bring in. Our first landing page here. Yeah, I don't like the countdown either. Okay, so let's check in here. Okay, so it's gonna do it. That's good. Yeah, this is great. So what if we change the type to, see, that might need some AI. Interactive checklist, AI fitness plan, advanced user. Okay, we'll get there. I think we need to put in an OpenAI key, so we'll do that off screen. Pull this off screen. OpenAI key. OpenAI key. We'll do OpenAI as one word. Key equals. Go to OpenAI. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause while I do this. And we're back. Oh, it's failing to compile on some TypeScript stuff, which is fine. But if it's building, that means it's getting close to being done. It's just running some tests. So if we go to this preview page, yeah, we still have to wait for it to do stuff. We can close out of that. Yeah, I have to head off here. So we're going to wait until we're going to pause this server. Lastly, just don't forget. Yeah, that's it. Nothing to not forget. I'll come back with them.